first things first. And first would be the mystery of the Spanish architecture. Well, South Spain really. So, how is it possible that the two greatest architects of all time were born so close to one another? How is it possible that they both created unforgettable and extraordinary projects that look so fresh and natural? And how is it possible that when you look at the masterpieces, each of them is unique, but at the same time alike? Well, I say it's the olive oil. Both Gaudi and Calatrava, they are the only real masters of misshaping art into greatness. They are strong, nonconformist, daring, creative, and faithful. Well, it just must be the tapas.